Hey, good morning everybody. This is the Whole Food Hut here. I'm here today to show you how to make a fresh pesto with freshly bought herbs and spices, or just the plants grown on your window or on your balcony. The reason I'd like to do it this way is because if you make it freshly, your dish is going to taste heavenly. That's the major thing. And if you do it at home for yourself, you can reduce the sugar, you can reduce the salt, and everything goes into your dish what it should be really, and nothing goes in. It shouldn't be that. So I hope you enjoy it. Get ready. Here we go. So I'm just going to make my way to our balcony because I really love these fresh herbs and plants and spices. So therefore we've got a little balcony garden, which thankfully for my boyfriend, he's handling very, very, very well. Thank you in this way as well. Look at that! So once you harvested and washed it thoroughly, you just basically put it in a blender and blend it together with the ingredients. And if you're lucky enough, you live close by with one of these shops that I really, really like, such as Colonel's, and you can buy some beautiful organic garlic, which isn't that too expensive. Also, you can buy wonderful lemon, which tastes really good. And today, the olive oil that I'm going to use, I bought it in Sicily. And look at the color of it. I mean, here we go. This is made by a local producer in Sicily who's working with his daughter, and I think I've never tasted so much beautiful olive oil before. So I hope to go back soon and buy a little bit more, because 3 bottles wasn't enough. So here we go, first taste. Wow, okay, so it's really, really nice. Just for your information, Parmesan cheese is left out, as we've got lots of vegetarian and vegan friends. So when the next time they come over, I can serve something surprising for them, and nobody will complain that, oh my god, you didn't think about us. So here we go, recipe will be down below on the link, and surprise everybody, nice gift, and just enjoy food. Have a good day.